Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Alyssa. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Nom Yen or Thai pink milk. Nom Yen is a Thai drink made from cider syrup. I have two simple recipes to share for you guys. How to make it? Let's get started. 2 cups of water put in the microwave 3 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm going to add the sugar in the hot water and stir until the sugar mixing well. And I add the condensed milk in the hot water and keep mixing it. After condensed milk mixed well, I'm going to add syrup into the milk. Add a half of cup of milk into the pink milk. Fill the full cut ice into the glass. Add some evaporated milk on the ice. Put the pink milk into the glass and add more evaporated milk on the top. And we are done. 2 cups of milk. Put in the microwave 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Add condensed milk into the milk and stir. After condensed milk mixed well, add some syrup into the milk and mixing it. Fill the full cut ice into the glass and add some evaporated milk on the top. Pour the pink milk into the glass and add more evaporated milk on the top. And we are done. Thank you for watching my video today. I hope you enjoy with my 2 recipes. If you like my video, please subscribe. And for more recipes, please visit my channel. See you guys next video. Bye!